Welcome back to ASMR Foot and Body Care Chronicles. Welcome to ASMR Foot and Body Care Chronicles. Here, every session is crafted to bring you both relaxation and knowledge. If you enjoy calming ASMR treatments, soothing massages, and professional foot care, make sure to subscribe. You can also join our members community for exclusive content, support the channel with super thanks, or enjoy personalized stickers to keep our journey growing. Today, we dive into the world of hair wax removal. Relax, listen closely, and let me guide you step by step. Waxing is a method of hair removal that pulls hair from the root. Unlike shaving, it leaves the skin smoother for weeks, but it also requires the right technique to avoid irritation. Warm wax is gently applied to the skin. It sticks to the hair, not just the surface. Then, with a quick motion, the wax is removed, taking the hair with it. Waxing makes the hair grow back softer, thinner, and less noticeable over time. It also exfoliates, removing dead skin cells. That's why your skin often feels fresh and glowing afterward. Exfoliate your skin one day before waxing. Avoid lotion or oils on the day of waxing. And remember, always pull the strip in the opposite direction of hair growth. Did you know waxing can last 3 to 6 weeks, depending on your hair cycle? Or that regular waxing may reduce overall hair growth. Science shows hair weakens when removed repeatedly from the root. Always soothe the skin with aloe vera or a calming lotion. Avoid hot showers, saunas, or sun exposure for 24 hours. This prevents irritation and keeps your skin protected. And that's it, smooth, silky, hair-free skin. If you found these tips helpful, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relaxing, informative videos.